What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Basement Show. It's been a while, I know. Hope everybody's staying safe in these uncertain times that we find ourselves in. And if you can, I hope everybody is supporting their local comic shops. If they have online auctions on eBay, or they're doing Instagram Live claim shows, or they just got a website that you can order stuff from. It's very important that we keep our local comic shops in business during these very tumultuous times. I myself just got a box from Big Bad Toy Store, and I'm very anxious to get into it, so we're going to do a box opening today. And I really hope this video goes off without a hitch, because it's my first time doing a box opening without Ramon filming it. So, fingers crossed that nothing goes astray. What we got here is the Lord of the Rings Deform Real Balrog Deluxe Edition by Star Ace. And I'm really excited to get this up on the shelf over there next to my Lord of the Ring mini figures, the mini epics from Weta. Now, they have a Balrog too, but I just liked Star Ace's a lot better. It actually looked more like a statue, but it was a little just kind of chibi model. But alright, enough talk. Let's get into this box here. I got my trusty razor blade. And make sure you don't stay behind the razor blade. You don't want to stab yourself if the thing goes awry. Alright, here we go. Okay, it's just paperwork there. Some bubble wrap, sure. Alright, here we go. So, have a look at that. Cool looking box. Alright, before we tear into this thing, let's get close up at a box. Cool artwork. Nice shot of the One Ring on the side. Back view. Cool. And uneventful side view. Alright. So, let's tear into this thing. Let's have some fun. So let's just cut the little tape seal over there. And lift up. Nope, there's 3 tape seals. Never mind. We're not quite in this box yet. Story of my life. Alright, there we go. Oh, no, that's really cool. That's a great background of the Balrog from the movie. And out she goes. Okay. Oh, wow, that is really cool. And there comes with a whole little, like a little display card, if you will. That's pretty dope. It's not going to go on the shelf along with it, but I mean, maybe I could get this behind there. That's pretty cool. We'll figure that out. Alright. Got a little tape going over here. Let's just cut that away. And we'll cut that away. Alright. Got a little bit on the bottom there. Don't get overly anxious. And we got our book to look at, Pete. Don't know you're anxious like a damn 5-year-old. But let's not break anything in the meanwhile. Alright. So this. Ooh. Alright, there we go. There is the Balrog. Durin's Bane. And he's got his little stand over here. Cool, let's see how he goes on there. Is that like a magnet or something? How is he supposed to do that? Looks to be some sort of magnet. He's got his really cool whip there. Alright. And the beauty of the deluxe edition is it comes with a itty bitty little Gandalf to go right in front of him to challenge him and tell him that he shall not pass. You shall not pass. Let's just see what's in the little booklet / instructions here. Okay, yeah, it doesn't really say much. Balrog over here just kind of sits on that little, sort of sits on that little peg there. I think that's just a, like, so you know where to start placing them. And Gandalf sits in front there. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. All right. Cool fire, the way that catches the light. That's really nice. Wings look really cool. Definitely cool. Let's take a good solid look at this guy's face here. Ah, yeah, that's nice and scary. He's got his flame whip right under here. Cool, he's actually a lot smaller than I thought he was going to be. That's what she said. And we've got our little mini-Gandalf figure. The sculpt on this is really nice. Paint job's great. Light and shadow going. Very awesome. Smaller, but I am still very, very happy with this. I would really like to figure out what, like, look at it. See that? I don't get what that's for. There's nothing on the bottom of this guy. Is Gandalf supposed to go there? He don't really look like he stays there. And now he's busy getting engulfed. That's definitely not the case there. Okay. Let's sit that foot right there, right on that little peg. And have him face off against his wizardly enemy. Alright. Cool. Let's get that up on the shelf. Star Aces Balrog Mini Deluxe with Gandalf. Gandalf. Alright. Very cool. So, we've made some room on the shelf for the Balrog and Gandalf. What a great addition. Just look at that open maw right there. That's great. What a lot of detail. That's awesome. And I even managed to get that background safely tucked away back there. And I think it makes a really cool addition to the Lord of the Rings shelf. So, thanks for tuning in, everybody. Hope this video wasn't too horrendous. Like I said, go easy. It's my first time doing an unboxing by myself. If you like the video, hit like, hit subscribe, drop a comment, hit the notification bell while you're at it. I got a lot more unboxings to do, and hopefully I get better doing it by myself over time until the world goes back to normal and I can have Ramon back to filming like usual. We'll see you soon, guys. Hit us up. Questions at peachbasement.com, facebook.com/peachbasement, Instagram, Twitter, etc. @peachbasement. Make sure you subscribe to our newsletter. Goes out once a week just to keep you up to date on what's going on with myself and the rest of the basement crew. Go to peachbasement.com/the-haul and subscribe. We promise not to spam you. 1 email per week. That's it. Finally, thank you to all of our patrons for staying with us for 13 long years and seasons. We appreciate you so much. And without you, none of this would be happening at all. So thank you very much, and thanks for staying with us during these very difficult times. See you next time. Peach Basement is copyrighted 2020. Ripped Productions. All rights reserved, so go fuck yourself.